Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Moto G9 Play and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Just tap to skip and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to enable in settings and your green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished and let's here just check our new keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.